Menteri Rang Baga Jila Konrad Ki Sangma minta ke sengi daladi hiu lalit penyu kejan Hamadan Umsning Sports and Cultural Club USNCC kebadan ha Umsning Patarim man sengap gijing don kam jenggi ba bat ke Shnong Ling Baga Sports Club kam tam halor ke jingang nun ban yo no ya kamadan ke bapaka ketika jaka. Presiden ke Umsning Sports and Cultural Club uba Rostar Son Kela ula penpau baka klub la bon sien kela let un syaka sarkar ling baka tanat ilekai ban kerpat bakin ai ke jingeram ban penyo no ya kamadan ka babet pepiang Henry wala shibon ke jingkular hado menta empat dan kanu ke jingeram na kaliang ke sarkar na ka benta katai kamadan. Habakran Menteri Rang Ba Konrad Ki Sangma ula ai ke jingkular ba un shimti hi dalade ban petngor wat ban sedang no yaki kampen bha ketika madan ula ong ba kani kamadan kede ke bedan kam shisha bat on persyang ban sedang shwari ki benta ki bakongsan kum ke jingkir jingda ke VIP gallery bat ke jingpen bhai ya kamadan hi barok kewe ula kula ru ba un tre shitam ban penot longi ke jingang nun jengki pai ba bat ke sports club. Hakatay ke jinglet pet ya kamadan la don ringkat uba sustainable sotun Menteri Ketenat CNRD u Dr. Celestin Lingdo MLA Umsning u Daman Ba Lamare MLA Omroy uba Charles Marngar MLA Mauhati Kakongrona Kimdet MDC Nongpo ki ofisa sarkar bat ki nongyalam ka club ki bakentop yo ba Eric Benjamin Maulong kum secretary lembat ki dikhad na Umsning.
Vì bà kiếp đó linh độ là ini ai cái gì tapi kebetulan Honorable Chief Minister.
Oh, this is the fellow. Wow, man. How he maintains the records.
But sadly, I can't pick you up now. In this picture, I picked you up, but now I can't. Now you've grown up.
Wow.
Okay. Great. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, let us speak the truth. The dream of Umsning Sport and Cultural Club began with a great sacrifice. We are standing here on a 12 acres of land that was gifted to us in the year 2001 by Mane Langlendo and his family. This land was supposed to be a safe place, a center for fitness, culture, and life. But instead, for 24 years, it has stood as a monument to our pain. This gift has become a burden, constantly reminding us of what we do not have. Respected elders, you have seen a whole generation brought without a proper facilities. Sir, the cause of this delay is not only money, it is a loss to the generation. Our young people are talented, but without proper field, their energy is wasted. Their dream slowly will turn into frustration. This playground is meant to protect our youth from negative influences, and we are fighting for the safety, not only for the sports. Sir, for many years, we followed the proper step, and we met ministers after ministers of sports. The promise to help and even send to check the 12 acres of land. Those engineers, they walk the 12 acres of land, measures and survey everything. And we thought the work will start, but nothing happened. They left and we got nothing. Sir, the cruelest joke was played on us in 2023, where the news erupted with joy that Umsning ground was included in the Khelo India scheme. we're very happy and we will celebrate like we had already won gold medal.
Of course, it's an old estimate, so I don't think that will be enough. Don't disturb it, sir. It won't be enough. So I will sit with the sports department. You must be aware that we are stressing a lot on sports in the last 4 or 5 years. And just to share with you, projects touching almost about 1,500 crores are being implemented. I think almost 2,000 crores, I can't remember right now, are being implemented in the state as we speak. Large number of projects. And there are many in the pipeline which we are going to implement. So therefore, whatever the estimates are required out here, if the estimates are too big in terms of the overall infrastructure, my suggestion to Dr. Baum and to the Sports and Cultural Club is that we take things in a phase-wise manner, take up the top priorities, as Dr. Baum has mentioned. The fencing and the VIP galleries may be the most important that you had mentioned, and some work on the field. So let us start with these three. I will work with your MLA, and we will try to make this possibility at the earliest. Since I've been called specifically for this project, I know the importance, and it would be a great sight to see this place developed. It's a beautiful location, accessible to everybody, and hence it makes complete sense to build up a good infrastructure out here. So let me assure you that I will work on this myself and take this up with Dr. Baum. As I said, may not be everything in one go, but we'll start in a phase-wise manner. And immediately when I go back to Shillong, we will discuss. I've already activated my sports department and told them that we should, immediately prepare the estimates. So I hope that the work will start very soon. So I will be in touch with Dr. Baum, and we'll try to take this forward at the earliest. But I was telling Dr. Baum just now that I must give him a warning. So he asked me, what warning? I said, once the infrastructure is set up, the field is improved, you may get lesser patients, because people will have lesser injuries then. Then you will complain to me saying, sir, can you spoil the field again? Because I'm getting too less patients now. So as long as he doesn't complain about that, we can go ahead with the infrastructure and improvement of the ground. So I will not take too much time. I once again would like to thank all of you. And as I said, this is a very, very important occasion. I thank you for having the wonderful reception for us. I thank our youngster who had sang the welcome song, beautiful song. And also I thank all our sisters, our friends who have welcomed us and given us beautiful items. Thank you so much for the respect. And again, before I sit down, that our commitment to youth and our commitment to sports is always there. It's not just that I'm saying it now, but you must have seen the kind of work we are doing for sports infrastructure throughout the state. And now that we are together with Dr. Baum, as I said, a lot of things are happening. We'll be going to, in fact, the town area, and you're aware that we are looking at some of the beautification projects out there. So my special focus is here on this. Dr. Baum is a good and a very dear friend of mine, and I have immense respect for him because he's a very, very genuine, a compassionate person who cares about his people, who cares about the constituency, and that kind of a passion and commitment which he shows is what I share with him, and therefore I will be very happy, as I said, to work along with him to see that we take Umsning constituency forward and give the necessary developments that are required in this region. Up in Riboy area, as you're aware, many projects are happening. In almost every constituency, we are taking up different projects, whether it's related to sports, healthcare, or related to any other infrastructure projects. Many projects are happening all across Riboy district. And once again, as I said, I thank all of you for having invited me to this program. And let me give you an assurance before I sit down once again that we will ensure that we take up this project and take it forward in a phase-wise manner. Wishing you all the very best. May God bless each